Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable soup with egg. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables like carrots, celery, and spinach. Also, have 2 large eggs, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil on hand. Don't forget your seasonings, including salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder to enhance the flavors. Next, it's time to prepare your vegetables. Thoroughly wash and chop all your chosen vegetables into small, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the harder vegetables, such as carrots and celery, and sauté them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they start to become slightly tender. This step builds a flavorful base for your soup. Now, let's get the soup simmering. Carefully pour 4 cups of vegetable broth into the pot with your sautéed vegetables. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let the soup cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until all the vegetables are tender. This allows the flavors to fully develop and meld together beautifully. Finally, it's time for the unique egg addition. In a small bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are well combined. Slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the simmering soup while continuously stirring. Cook for just 1 to 2 minutes until the egg forms delicate, cooked ribbons throughout the broth. Season to taste, then ladle your delicious vegetable soup with egg into bowls and serve immediately. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.